In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase or decrease the space between bullets and text in Google Docs. If you've ever found yourself frustrated with the default spacing in your documents, you're not alone. And today, we're going to show you exactly how to adjust it to better suit your needs. First, let's get started by opening up your internet browser and typing Google Docs into the search bar. Once the search results come up, click on the link to access Google Docs. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. It's a straightforward process. Just enter your credentials and you're in. Now that you're logged in, open the Google Doc you want to work on. If this is a new document or an existing one without a visible ruler, you'll need to enable this tool for our next steps. Simply go up to the top menu, click on View, and from the drop-down menu, select Show Ruler. This will bring up the ruler at the top of your document, crucial for making adjustments to your bulleted list. With the ruler now visible, highlight the bulleted list you want to adjust. You'll notice at the top of the ruler two small shapes that will help us, a small rectangle and a downward-pointing triangle. These are essential for customizing your document's layout. To change the space between the bullet point and the accompanying text, you'll want to focus on the small rectangle. Click and drag it left or right along the ruler. Moving it to the left will decrease the space, bringing your texts closer to the bullet points, while dragging it to the right will increase the space, creating more room for that modern, spaced-out look. If your goal is to move the entire list, both the bullet and text, closer to or farther from the document's margin, then the downward-pointing triangle is your tool of choice. As with the rectangle, click and drag this triangle left or right depending on your preference. Moving it left will snug your list up against the margin, great for conserving space, while dragging it right will push the list further in, maybe for a more minimalist look. And that's all there is to it. With just a few adjustments to the rectangle and triangle on the ruler, you can customize the space between your bullets and text, giving your document a polished, professional appearance. Experiment with these tools to find the perfect balance that works for you. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.